Okay, so the nanomaterials, we're only asked to recognize that nanomaterials are substances that contain particles of size 1 to 100. Where's my pen? And have specific properties relating to the size. So recognize means they should technically be giving you stuff, and you just have to recognize it. You shouldn't have to memorize anything, so this should be a quick one. So nanomaterials are, as we already mentioned, 1 to 100 nanometers. I think the significance of that, if I can find my pen, is we can't see it even with a light microscope. So normally there's some things that you can't see, but macroscopically. But this one we can't even see with a light microscope. We can see it with an electron microscope. And so that 0 to 100 is a useful number if you want to know how small something is for biologists, so they can no longer see it in the light microscope. So that's recognized. Remember 1 to 100, easy number to remember. The significance of those things obviously is it's small enough to potentially go through protein channels, easily go through your blood system, and go through all sorts of areas that we wouldn't normally be able to put things through. And so that is of more significance when you have a look at the main focus of nanomaterials in recent history is the fact that we can use carbon to create sort of sheets and rods and balls, and so we should be able to create possibly machines that could go in and you can't even see them, so invisible micro machines that could go in and do all sorts of things that was never possible before. So these are buckyballs made up of 60 carbons, C60. This is graphene. So graphite is just a mess of different sheets that slide past each other. But if you can get it to a single sheet, strong, transparent, conducts electricity, impermeable even to hydrogen atoms. I should have probably researched this more, but I'm told, I think I saw on one source that if you hold this, it is so strong you can hold it to the size of a football field and it doesn't even bend. But we just don't know how to manufacture them and control the manufacture. Same with these rods here. This is carbon fiber. All we do is we just sort of get steel and just wrap these messily around it. It makes it super strong. If we could wrap it or even create it on a microscopic level, then we'd be onto a new age, I guess. So 50 to 100 times stronger than iron. You can also, they've also been able to make tubes within tubes, so multi-walled nanotubes, and they've come up with a whole different ways of manufacturing these things. So it is a focus. We're not there yet.